All right, so y'all, this is question number 2 out of 2.5. And I'm sorry it's a little blurry, but it says in a survey of employees at a fast food restaurant, it says 13 people cooked food, 16 washed dishes, 21 did the cash register, okay? Then we have 6 who did food and dishes, 5 who did food and the cash register, and 8 who did the dishes and the cash register, and 2 did all 3. 5 did none of the jobs. And we're going to go through each of the parts. Okay, so look, let's do it like this, y'all. I'm going to draw my Venn diagram, right? Okay, so remember, I got 3 circles. We have the people who cooked the food. We have the people who washed the dishes. And we have the people who worked the cash register, okay? So, y'all, remember, when I'm going through a problem like this, y'all, I'm going to start from, like, the bottom and work my way up. And what I mean by that is, like, look, it says 5 did none of those jobs. So those 5 are going to be over there. Okay. Now it says 2 did all 3. So I'm going to put my 2 right here in the middle. Okay. Now it says 8 did the dishes and the cash register. So look, y'all, here's my dishes circle, right? And here's my cash register circle. So those 2 circles, y'all, overlap right here. And that number has to be a total of 8. Well, if this part is 2, y'all, then that's going to have to be 6 because that'll give me an 8 total. Okay, so let's get rid of that 8. We already used it. Now it says 5 cooked food and did the register. Okay, so 5 cooked food. So look, y'all, here's my cooking food circle. Okay, and also operated the cash register. So here's my cash register circle. Okay, those 2 circles, y'all, overlap right here. That has to give me a total of 5. Well, if the middle is 2, then this here, y'all, has to be 3. Let me write that in black so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay. And then we have 6 people cooked food and washed dishes. So here's my cooked food, okay? And here's my washed dishes. And those 2 circles, y'all, overlap right here. And that has to give me a total of 6. Well, if I got 2 in the middle right here, y'all, write that again in black. If 2 is right here in the middle, that's going to have to be 4 because that's going to give me my 6, okay? Now, notice what they told me. 21 did the cash register. So, y'all, everybody in the green circle has to add up to 21, okay? I believe that was a 6. So, look, 3 and 2 is 5, and 6 is 11. So, if that's a total of 11, and I'm going to have a total of 21, then I'm going to have 10 right here, y'all, okay? Let's see. 16 washed dishes. So everybody in the red circle, y'all, is going to have to add up to 16. So 4 and 2 and 6, that's going to give me a total of 12. Well, if I have a 16, then that's going to be 4 right there. Okay. And then it says 13 people cooked food. So everybody in the food circle, y'all, is going to have to add up to 13. So if I have 4 and 2, and that's 6, and 3 more is 9. So look, 3 minus 9, y'all, that's going to have to give me 4. Okay, so now that I have my Venn diagram drawn, it says how many employees were surveyed. Y'all, we're going to add them up all together. So we're going to go 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 10 plus 5. And let me just add that together. So look, y'all, I sent y'all a video yesterday about my calculator app. Here's one of them, okay? So 4, 4, and 4, 3, 2, and 6. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus, I know there was a couple more numbers. Let's see, 10 and 5. Plus 10 plus 5. That's going to give me 38. So y'all are going to come over here. And look, the student got it right? It was 38. Okay. How many people only cooked food? So y'all, if I'm looking for only cooked food, it's just the ones in the food part itself. Again, student got it right with 4. Okay. Let's look at part C. How many people only did the cash register? Only did the cash register, y'all, are those 10 right there. Again, student did it correctly, right? Now let's look at part D. Part D says how many people washed dishes and did the cash register but didn't cook food. Okay, so wash dishes. Y'all, this is my washing dishes, okay? And we also want the cash register right here, okay? But did not cook food. So where do these two circles overlap? They overlap right there. But we don't want anybody in the food area. So y'all, I'm just gonna use 6. That's why it has that little red mark there. They wrote something else, but the answer should be 6, okay? How many of the employees washed dishes or did the cash register but did not cook food? Okay, so look, y'all, I'm gonna take everybody again and let's see, everybody in the washing dishes circle right here and everybody in the cash register. Now I want all of those except for the ones that cook food. So look, y'all, I'm gonna pick 4, I'm gonna pick 6, I'm gonna pick 10, and if I add those together, y'all, that gives me my 20, okay? Now, how many employees did at least 2 of the jobs? Okay, so look, y'all, at least 2 of the jobs means they did 2 jobs or they did all 3. So I'm gonna take 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, those right there. So that's 10 and that's 5. That should give me 15, and there's our 15. Okay, y'all got questions? Let me know. I'm happy to help.